Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Breaking the stereotypes of rote learning, eYantra works on the principle of learning by doing. Let's get to know more about it.
Hi, I'm Arjun Sadananda. I'm from eYantra, IIT Bombay. We're all it's a popular problem that our present ways of teaching and learning is very focused on rote learning, right? That is why the NEP 2020 also exists, to try and tackle that specific problem. And the present ways of learning, instead of focusing on conceptual understanding or critical thinking, the exams focus more on rote learning rather than critical thinking and creativity. So this is exactly the reason why eYantra exists. All of our initiatives are focused on the idea of learning by doing. And learning by doing is an approach that highly emphasizes on the idea of conceptual understanding of whatever you're working on. And that is a necessity to even start with the project. And the project's problem statements are in such a level that you have to have creativity and critical thinking involved when you solve those problem statements. And that is why that is our main problem that we want to tackle. One of our flagship initiatives of eYantra is eYantra Robotics Competition, and tens of thousands of participants every year from different backgrounds take part in these competitions. We design 6 to 7 different themes every year, where we have these custom problem statements that our mentors from eYantra team create, which each tackle different domains of engineering. And as our main goal is to learn by doing, uh, each of these problems make you have a very strong conceptual understanding in a particular domain that we are tackling in that particular theme. Each of these themes emphasize on conceptual understanding to such a point. For example, our balance board theme would emphasize on control systems to a level where we go even beyond the basic controls of PID and go all the way to LQR to understand the systems and the controls so well that when it comes to placements at the end of their BTech seasons, the placement company always ends up asking them about the project that they did at eYantra, because that is kind of their highlight of their entire bachelor's degree. So that, I think, is one of the major impacts of eYantra in bachelor's degree at least. So one of the things that we learn when we do projects that involve hands-on learning is it's a very explorative process. So you explore a lot of things before you come up with your conclusions. And in that exploration, you discover a lot and have a lot of widening of your horizons happens at that time, which kind of gives you a goal. Either you want to do further studies, or you want to do PhD, or you want to work in a specific domain. All that kind of clarity you get when you actually do hands-on things. And that is, I think, the best opportunity that you get to do when you take part in initiatives that we come up with. So one of the flagship events of eYantra is the eYantra Robotics Competition. It is a 6 months long competition, which is kind of never heard of. Why is it 6 months long? Why is a competition 6 months long? Because it's a journey. It's a journey that begins in August and ends in March. And there are no prerequisites to start this journey. You start with absolutely no prerequisites. But at the end of this journey, you would have mastered some concepts that you would not have thought of at the start of this journey. So let's say, for example, one of the themes last year was this particular theme called Dairy Bike. So the Dairy Bike bot was supposed to pick up objects from a point to another and take it and drop it at another spot. And all of that had to be done by a cycle bot. And clearly a cycle is a way more complicated system than we think it is. And that requires a very good understanding of the cycle itself and how to control it eventually. So that is just one of the 7 themes that we had last year. There were many other themes. A theme that was based on drones, for example, a theme that was based on ground vehicles, and another theme that was based on FPGA bot. So a very variety of technology was covered in just 1 year. And each of the participants from each of these themes have mastered one of these concepts at the end of the 6 months journey. And that's what the 6 months journey is about. It's the concept of learning by competing and competing by learning.